Okay. This time we're going to start lesson 11, and then what's in a name? What is in a name? That is the title of our lesson, lesson 11. So please, let's go ahead and start with the objectives. Lesson objectives. Reading. Students will close read a scene in 2 sections, selecting concrete details that convey mood. So we're going to continue mood, and then collaborating to analyze what those details reveal about Jilly's internal conflict between her commitment to family and to the family and then to the cultural revolution. So let me repeat this. Jilly's internal conflict between her commitment to family and then to the cultural revolution. Her conflict between family and then the cultural revolution. Very interesting. And then writing, students will select and analyze specific evidence from the scene to develop an explanation of Jilly's actions. Students will select and analyze specific evidence from the scene to develop an explanation to Jilly's actions. So that is what we will be doing. Where is my video? Okay, so we continue. We're going to continue. So let's start the reading. Okay, upon this time, let's see what we're going to do reading. You students, you are going to read or listen to this passage. Have city Jing. That is what we are going to listen to. You either choose to listen to it or read it. Upon you finish, you come to next. Next. And then this is the question you answer upon reading this text. As you read this passage, think about where do you think Jilly stands between her family and then the cultural revolution? Where does Jilly stand? What is her position between her family and then the cultural revolution? And then we go to the next one. We're still going to continue the reading of this text and then answer the following questions. As you listen to this passage, think about how would you walk into the home? Why or why not? Would you want to walk into the home? Why or why not? As you listen to this passage, think about would you want to walk into this home? Why or why not? So that is the first part. Second part. second part. Okay, as you listen to this passage, think about, will you want to meet Officer Ma? Why or why not? Upon reading this text. And then the next activity. Directions. Officer Ma tells Jilly, making a clean break with the Black family. That's good. And this is line 57. Jilly says, I did not understand him. 58. How would you? How about you? What do you think he means? Write 2 or 3 sentences to explain. And then this answer, you write in your answer here, and then you click on in. Okay, let's go to writing. Writing. Okay, let's look at this picture. We go to next. Okay, the same another question upon the reading. Why didn't G Lee go through with her plan to change her name? Why didn't she go through to change her name? Think of 1 or 2 reasons and explain them using details from the text. So you write, why didn't Julie go through changing her name? Justify. And then sentence starters, just go ahead and read those. Number 7, wrap up. Okay, here we still have another text to read. When you read this text, we're going to answer these questions. As you read this passage, think about, what do you think is going on in this passage from Red Scarf Girl? Why might Jilly feel like a small animal caught in a trap? Why might Jilly feel like a small animal caught in a trap? Why? Justify that. Next. Match each quote to the explanation of what the author's words reveal about her point of view. Hint, pay close attention to the word in bold. Okay, direct it into these boxes. This is what you choose, and then you put it in the box. Okay, number 9, the solo activity. The individual solo activity. So we're going to read the passage, read this passage, read the assigned text, highlight and annotate the passage as directed, answer the questions. So we have all this to do. Read the passage and continue, and then answer all questions. We have this is question number 4. After that, you go to the next. Question number 5. And then I think that's the last question. And then you click in and end. Okay, guys, thank you so very much for your interest and then dedication. I will see you in class, and then we'll discuss much more and then answer your various questions. Thank you so very much.